Hearing aids now come with rechargeable batteries or non-rechargeable batteries. The purpose of this video is to show you how to change a non-rechargeable battery. You open the battery door like so. You take out the battery from the back of the case. Every hearing aid battery has a small sticky on it. When you pull off the sticky, you are activating the battery. Simply pull off the sticky, just like this, and throw out the piece of paper. The battery has two sides to it. It has a plus side, and on the bottom, it has a ridge side. When you're putting in your battery, the plus side should always, or the plus side and what we call the smooth side, should always be looking up at you. So you should be able to see the smooth side and the plus side. If the battery is in correctly, the door will close. You have to nudge it, but the door will close. If the battery is not in correctly, and I'm going to show that to you, the door does not close. Do not force it. You can see how I'm pushing and the door is not closed. Turn it around and make it so that the smooth side is looking up at you. The plus sign is looking at you, and you will see how the door closes.